Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix no pin post option in Facebook profile. So in the case that you cannot see the specific pin post option so that you could pin your posts on your Facebook profile, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this issue step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Facebook application. And once you're already here, I want you to go ahead and access your profiles and go on over on your profile. Now, I want you to go ahead and test this out just by going to that specific post that you want to go ahead and pin. And what I want you to do, so basically, tap on the three dots right here and then tap on this option called pin post. Now, in the case that you're gonna see this option over on this pin post, you gotta go ahead and check the post privacy. So go ahead and tap on edit privacy over here, and you may have this specific post set to only me or other than public or friends except. Now, that could be a reason as to why you're not seeing this option on your Facebook post. So you gotta go ahead and change it to either friends or public or friends except. Now tap on done. Once you've changed that, and you should see the option to pin this post on the three lines once again. But in the cases you are still experiencing some problems and you still cannot see that option, now what we can do to solve this problem is to go ahead and basically double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi and see if we are actually experiencing some problems with that. You could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is gonna work better. And the last thing we could also do to solve this issue is to go ahead and launch the App Store. And I want you to go ahead and search for the Facebook application on here and double check if you have an update available. Now, if you do have an update available on the Facebook application, I would like you to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed. Of course, more features would be added. And if you still don't have that specific up in post feature on your device, all we need to do is to do that quick update to solve that problem. Now, that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys have learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.